Okay, here's the light laying upside down on the bench. And you can see that I've added a big shield on the front of it. And from most viewing angles, I think the lamps will be pretty well protected. The reason we got to do that is the MR-16 lamps are much taller than the MR-11 lamps. And so putting the shield on it should protect it. Now, these are 120 volt lamps. They don't require a transformer. I don't have a solution yet to dim them on board because this is really designed for a large painting. The lights are made by CRI. They're 95 CRI. They're 2700 degree Kelvin, and they're 10 degree beams. And what they do is they have this magnetic lens that makes a spread lens on it. Without the lens, it's a 10 degree beam. That's why it's a perfect solution for your painting. Now, it also can be dimmed. So here's the, there's the lights. Let me back here a little bit, show you the dimmer on it. Now this is just nothing more than a plug-in dimmer from Lutron. It's one of those tabletop dimmers, and it's an older one. It's not designed for LEDs, but this does work fairly well. So whether you want to mount this on the bottom or on the top, I think you could probably mount it on the bottom and it'll probably do a pretty good job. But it's got a lot of horsepower. Each one of these lamps is about 7 watts. And it should do a good job. Okay, I'm going to bag this up, put it in YouTube, write you a cover letter, and let me know what you think. Also, here, let me show you what it normally would look like. Look like that. And I can paint it any color. So, okay, talk to you later. Bye.